Hello, this is Jamie with Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to show you how to make a single crochet chainless foundation stitch. So this is really helpful if you don't want to chain, like say you're making a blanket and you have to chain 200 or something, and then go back in and single crochet in every single one of those chains. This takes out the first portion of the chain. This just starts you with a single crochet foundation row, which is great. So I'm going to use a size 6 hook. You could use any yarn, any hook, and I'm using Paint Box Simply Chunky yarn. So to start, we're just going to make a slip knot. And then we're going to chain up 2, and this is going to count as your first single crochet. Okay, so you chain 2, and then you're going to go into this first chain that you made. You're going to go into the stitch here, but you're also going to go through that back bump. See how there's a back bump there? You're going to go through both of those pieces. And then yarn over and pull up a loop. So you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 1. And then yarn over and pull through 2. And now you have 2 single crochet. So to do the next one, we're just going to go through those the bottom 2 stitches here from the last stitch that we did, or the bottom 2 pieces. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 1. And then yarn over and pull through 2. And that's what we're going to do all the way down for as many stitches as you need. And when you turn it, we're kind of working sideways. When you turn it, this is the top of your stitches here. Okay, so you can see it just looks like a regular chain of stitches. So let's do a couple more together. To do your next one, you're just going to go into the bottom of that last stitch, but you want to make sure that you pick up both pieces. So you want to turn to the side here, pick up both pieces, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2. Make sure you get both of those pieces. It does take a little bit when you first get started. I remember thinking, forget this. And I would watch it and then I would try it and I just felt like it was taking too much time or it was too difficult for me. And then one time I just went back and watched a video and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to do it this time. And now it's just easy. So it might take a little bit of getting used to because you're kind of working in the bottom, but it is so much easier, so much quicker. And this is what you get with the single crochet foundation. So now when you're ready to turn your project, you're just going to chain 1 and then turn. And here are your stitches that you'll just work into like a normal project then. You'll just have your stitches here and you'll already have that foundation chain, so you won't have to do all your chains on the bottom. So I hope this was helpful. I am going to do a video for the half double crochet and the double crochet foundation row as well, so I will link those in the description box below if you need them. But thanks for being here. I hope it was helpful. Have a great day.